Yo, guys, this is funny moments in Animal Company with cars.
Do the teleport button.
Holy, bro, where's that guy chasing us?
I'm oriented on the teleport. Wait, so how do I get
Is he still in that little hole?
He's up.
No, he's right there! No! Yes, oh no, he's right there! No, get out!
Oh my god.
No. We're in one place and cooked. No! Get rammed, boy! Peace out, bro. Come on, climb! No, we're stuck. Boys, we're stuck. Get up! Get jukes, bro.
Bro, he's following us with his own hand.
Watch out!
No, wait, he has a grab.
Watch out! Get jukes! No! Bro, we're recording funny moments of cars chasing us. Get back in your car! Blue!
Back in your dang car.
Exactly! Get in your car, Blue! Blue, I'll drive you over to your car, okay? Oh wait, he's already over there.
He's already over to his car.
Bye, Blue!
Peace out, mother poopers. Whoever's outdoors is dead.
In his car. Right there. Over there.
Get! Oh no, watch out! Get out! Bang! Fire alarm! Guys, we gotta go! Go! Fire alarm! Go! We ran over his car. Bang! These dudes are awesome. Oh! Hey! 360 and landed.
Where is bro?
He's over here by his car, I think.
Nuh-uh, his headset died.
Who wants to be the other guy?
Not me,
You two
Thurston.
do 3, 2, 1, not it.
Not it. It was block.
Nuh-uh.
It was you.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, not it.
I said it way before you. Not it.
Okay, red. Sorry, bro. Hey, you're gonna be one of the main people, so it's, yeah. You're like the second main character.
Yeah. I'm getting it. No, wait, the third main character.
No, the first main.
No?
Uh-oh, this guy's a good driver. No, bro, we're stuck. Run, get juked! Oh! No, bro! Watch out!
No, wait, I just hung up.
Here, grab your grappler!
But it takes anymore.
Just wait.
How much money you at?
Right here.
Bro, stop driving!
I'm trying.
How do you boost them? No, not you. The things that drive.
You click the one,
I'll leave you
so
to
you
my
know
grappler.
the thing to drive, you click the button under it.
I'll lead you to my grappler. It's over there, I think.
Oh, where?
Over there. I think.
Yeah, it's over here.
I'm stopping!
Peace out.
The one to be in a hide-and-seek video.
Oh, we just went over a mountain. A little one. Oh!
No, wait, stop, wait. I need to get on a bar.
Oh!
Let me get on the barn. Was it so many play suitcases?
Okay.
I was just in a lobby that had a bunch
Come
of
on, bro. I'm trying to get away from it.
so much stuff.
Chill out.
I summoned that shredder to find your fingers.
Get you. Pretty sure we lost him. Okay. Go stop. Get out. Get. Go.
Why?
Oh, wait. So you don't want it? Okay. Bye. Let's go. Oh, bro. We hit the arrow. Yo, peace, bro.
Peace out, bro. I'm killing everyone in the moon place, nigga.
I like my cheese drippy.